In this video, I'm going to be showing you the simple $500 per month offer that you can go out and sell to businesses. So first, we're going to start off with the problem every business has. Their phone is always ringing and they're missing these calls, so missed calls. And then another pain point you can also think of is whenever they get these calls, are they following up with them? How are they following up with them? Is it just a voicemail and they're going through it every day? So poor follow-up would be one. And then another thing, are they even tracking where these leads go, how they get them, what happens after if they just have their personal phone on them and then they go through the voicemail? Are they even tracking these opportunities? Tracking. And then another thing is they may have their hours listed 24/7, but how are those calls being handled? Or maybe they don't have their hours listed 24/7 and people call when they're closed. What happens with that? So after hours calls, lack of leads. How are we gonna fix this? We're gonna fix this with our system. So we're not selling them AI. We're fixing these problems. So the system we're gonna use is of course gonna be AI. So we're gonna have an AI voice receptionist to answer these missed calls, never miss a call. It will automate their follow-up, we'll load them into our CRM. So all that's tracked. And then after hours calls, also voice AI. And then lack of leads, this is where we step away from the CRM, it's actually Google LSA. These are amazing because the client only pays for a qualified lead. So you can sell them on qualified leads, which if you normally try and get people leads, they're like, oh, they're not qualified or anything, but with Google LSA, they're qualified. So what outcome do we want to sell? What vacation are we selling to these people? We're going to be selling them more money and more time saved, like time saved. And what this will do for them is it'll help them regulate their emotion of stress. So they'll have less stress in their day-to-day. Because imagine you're a contractor, right? And you have to wake up and you're getting all these calls, you're on the roof and you're getting these calls. You don't want to deal with that. That's stressful. I do have videos outlining this whole thing that'll take you through how to set up voice AI, how to set up the CRM, and how to set up Google LSAs for people. And so you'll get this outcome, this offer. So you can charge them $500 per month for this in just the voice AI alone, in just setting them up for the CRM to book their calendar full. So another part of the system would be automated texting, so just automated SMS and emails for them once a client fills out them. So that also gets into tracking and poor follow-up. So these are all you need to solve. You just need to solve these problems. And you're probably thinking, who do I go for? Anyone in the LSA, I'll put a graphic up on screen right now. Anyone that Google says to target, because if Google's having these people up for LSA approval, then you should probably target them. They know something. And it's easier to target these ones with LSA because you can provide that. And you're not going out and doing their email marketing or text message marketing, but just start with a simple system and get that outcome for them. Sell them the vacation, not the, oh, well, I'll do AI for you. No, you sell them, hey, I'll remove this headache for you. That's it. So more videos coming out of how to set up the system, how to prospect, how to fully set up each part of this if you're confused.